Now that we know how to control our PTZ camera, let's take a look at creating presets and recalling them. So I'm going to go to camera 6, and inside the PTZ panel, you can see that there are slots for up to 16 presets that we can program into the camera. So all you need to do is use the manual controls to point the camera where you want it to go. So let's just say I'm going to zoom this way out and I'll point it down towards me. And then to save a preset, just click on the camera icon in the slot that you want to update. So I'm going to click on slot 2, and you can see it's now put a frame grab of the live video source into this window. And then to recall a preset, you just click right on the image and it will take you to where the preset of that camera is saved. Now be aware that all of these presets are global. So as you go from session to session in your TriCaster, all the presets are going to be the same. And if you update it in one session, it will be updating it in a different session. And the reason for that is that the presets themselves are saved in the camera, not in the TriCaster. So if you move this camera or take it somewhere else and program it and bring it back, that new programming is going to be recalled when you use these presets. You can also add some additional information to these, which might make it a little easier to identify the different presets, especially if the image doesn't stand out. If you click the gear, you can put an alias and a comment. So let's just say, for example, I want to put my name on this one, and you can see now that has been added to that preset, making it easier to identify.